out there selling houses with big punch, son.
Yo, shout out to Season, man. Shout out to Season, man.
Yo, that's how the big punch dance, son. This nigga bought big punch got the shit.
Shout out to my
And
brother.
the niggas selling houses.
¿Cómo se dice diarrea en africano? Abunda la caca. Abunda la caca.
One pot-bellied pig has certainly endured his share of problems. Chris P. Bacon was born without the use of his Viking. Yeah, you have to read this story. We cannot. Oh my god.
Do you feel like you're gonna burp?
I don't know. I think I just ripped my esophagus.
Alright, free mode. Free mode.
Hype on! God. Logan.
Hold your breath for 5 seconds.
Or her. Or it. Wait, what?
Did you know?
Why he
Perfect, bro. Yo, hey, please, stop wheezing. What the fuck is happening?
This is Nacho Libre. I am featuring Nacho Libre from the 2006 movie Nacho Libre.
Excuse me?
Bro, it's me!
Where are you? What? Actual fuck?
That's not.
I was
When a
close.
school shooter kills 5 people and the autistic kid yells, "Heroes never die."
Alright, we're good. We're good. Yeah.
Where do you have all of these, my sir?
It's not that funny!
JR.
No.
I don't know what this is.
Bruh.
Oh, I hear it. Do you forfeit?
Jaws.
Very PG rated.
It's like the Little Tikes version of Jaws.
Bruh.
Alright.
Oh shit. I'm gonna...
Larry, mouthful of
Minions!
Yo, what the heck? Yo, he ran into the wall too many times.
Ew.
Oh my god, I think I just destroyed it.
Black Yosh. Yo.
That's so funny. Just
What the hell? What the? You guys just broke the sound barrier. What was that sound?
Oh my god.
What was that?